Hello tutors, in this video we'll talk about my pedagogical experience. I was there in the Cultural Institute of Salsa. There was praise and where do you learn my practice. Okay, so let's start. Um, how different are you now from the time you started my practical? Of the times of entering the institute, I entered with my expectation to development and teaching practice. Or was there a word of the teacher's desire for the course? How she addressed to students? Her group management. With the course of the practice, I have taken more confidence to manage a group of students. How to address the groups of the students? How to carry out the activities with the groups? I believe that with practice I have to develop more skills and learn more about the dealing of the activities with the students. Talk briefly about your action plan. According my willingness and strength in the development of the practice, I have to deduce that improvement my willingness with my strengths with the self-evaluation done at this moment. These movements are momentary because with the practice they are carried out the proving with under the course, skills, abilities and knowledge. For the development of the exercise teaching activities with abundance, strengthness and feedbackness contains practice makes perfect. Okay, so next, what do you think is the most trendy use for future English teacher? Would you what you recommend to yourself? Okay, so learning a language has not been and is text for many. Thus, we teacher play a fundamental role in the formation of students. According to Emma Watson, the experience of the word English in life all time in classroom calls to this action and making the most of the their abilities is paramount during this process of teaching English. These are second, and these are some from the guidance the Watson provides teacher to work with these students. One, change them. Students can't always give more teaching as from their skills to the forces. Second, help them change, recognizing the shortcomings of each student and show them alternatives to improve their English skills. And third, work with them. Accompanying is essential so that when they make mistakes and their teacher to guide them. Fourth, praise to them. You have recognized students with she falls in the pursuit of objectives in satisfactories while they continuously like this. And 5. Draft clear objectives. Teachers sure will be good for the class. So we forward to learn English through the clear objectives from the beginning of the program. This is my evidence for the practice. In this time, a feedback was being made in the activity now. The second image in this activity location of the city where the student relates locating the main characteristics environment. In this image is about the cultural representation of the institution with the students, practices in cultural activities in English. And, and this is image. Is a class interactive with implementation of the verbs in game dominance and pedagogical learning. Um, in this image, this is students practice the game, the didactics, the postulates. And finally, this image is a cultural in my practice. In this is Institute Balsalice from the accompaniment grade and speaking culture. And in the people world to speak with the clarity about the language according to her life in Australia. Okay, okay, teacher. Thank you very much. Bye bye.